Everybody is shaking about this upcoming wedding, and I'm also shaking. Why? Because everybody does not trust Lihasa Maposa, neither do I. Now, Kubes had a meeting with his employee, who happens to be a Pritisia Gamela, and said to her that, you know what, I'm a bit concerned or a bit shaky about you marrying the Maposa, and after that you're going to be in the Maposa family. Obviously, you will have to do what your husband do, and we don't really know your husband as someone that is doing good to the community. He's always under a scandal every now and then, so I'm a bit concerned. I am pretty. I will still be the person that I was. Taking a surname does not change anything. And I was like, Tata girl, but mina andikutembi. Lehasa has a way of manipulating you and has a way of getting you to say what needs to be said, which is a bit of a loophole for me. But then, now, speaking of the wedding, she is super frustrated because now she goes home. The wedding planner now did not have a photographer. So now she's asking Ukwaito, do you know any photographer? Where can I get a photographer? And then it looks like Ukwaito and Ulizi have at least two people that can be contacted, which is something that the wedding planner was supposed to be doing, and I don't know where she is. Now, Pretty is saying, but you're supposed to come here early so that all the other things that are outstanding, we can be able to fix them before time. Manje, ubright is a photographer like. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Skeem Saam Madekwana. Sanbonan Abshen Molwen Minjani. Ifukile Hingongwina. So namutlha ka nokwa hina wa Skeem Saam hikuma kurusla semsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Upriti has a conversation with her husband to be. The problem is she feels that there's going to be drama because this has to do with Lihasa, and because of the guy that came to her emsebenzini and then watuga. So now she says, you know what, for my sake bengicela ukuthi this day can it be perfect because I don't want drama. Umalume ngapha uthi kahle lomlisa lo uyasihlukuma asimbulale arimmilise jibindi karimumilise jibindi once and for all, cause I mean, why not? And only has to lalela angifuni gazi mina on my wedding day. My wedding day needs to be perfect, and I don't want anything that has to do with those kind of things. But Umalume says, you know what? I'm not promising anything. Yeah, no, I'm promising anything. Anyway, on the other news, after Mener Maungwa has announced that he is dating Stoko officially, he then took it further to take Ustoko home and, in fact, officially tell the kids Gutilalela. Na Listoko Rajola, and you will see her often here in the house. Now, after that, Maungwa went to Spaza shop Charlie, and he was trying to grab himself something, and then the wife told him, Charlie had Listoko, because she feels that some point will be compromised. Matoba hale afitla are nowhere na. Ujastoko, Bangwar Nanka Sukusheli, Utufe.